let's take a look at how to build an SEO report using Ahrefs. And when I say build an SEO report, I mean like actually be able to customize and drag and drop things as you desire to create a custom SEO report that you can then, export and store for later or send along to a client or whatever you might desire. So first of all, you're going to need to log into your Ahrefs account if you don't already have one. And then under the dashboard on the left side, you should see this little create option here. If I click the drop down, there's going to be reports. It's also right here. And when we're here, after you click create report, it will allow you to start adding some widgets in here. I only have some for my target. I can add some in these other areas essentially. But it gives us some different options. Like we can add in a competitive map, right? And maybe we need to add in a couple different domains in order to, let me go. I was just looking at this. Here's another domain. We could drop in here. We just need to delete the end part of it. Oh, we're not going to add ourselves into the competitor list. And when I say ourselves, I just mean the example companies, not actually a business that we're affiliated with. But just using this as an example to kind of show how this works. Oh, I think I need to add in another. Oh, no, it's going to allow it with just one. Likely we would want to edit this, add in a few additional competitors, probably as many as we can come up with in all honesty, which would then show us how we perform in the organic search results in relationship to these competitors here. So Bumblebee doesn't get all that much organic traffic and doesn't have that many referring domains. But Parker & Sons, on the other hand, is way out here. It's getting a lot of traffic and has a lot of referring domains. It's probably the long-established competitor, if you will. But, I was able to add in these widgets. You can delete them. So this is like the summary, right? Which is right here. And anytime you're adding this in, you basically need to add in the URL of the website that you want to analyze. And then you can drag and drop, move these around to create your own custom report. So I think it's pretty cool, pretty handy. I like the fact that you can customize it and then export this as a report and then be able to share it with other people pretty easily. So that's basically it when it comes to building custom SEO reports in Ahrefs. But if there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade in one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than $50. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.